the pattern today or the loop will repeat tomorrow. Break the pattern today or the loop will repeat tomorrow. You must break the pattern today or the loop will repeat.
The habit that is slowly destroying your future is not failure, is not bad luck. It's choosing comfort when discomfort is required. Every time you delay the hard thing, the call you should make, the work you should start, the discipline you should follow, you're not just wasting time. You're training your identity. Your brain learns one dangerous lesson. Escape is safer than effort. And slowly, without noise, your standards fall, your hunger weakens, your future shrinks. Understand this deeply. Pain is temporary, but avoidance becomes a lifestyle. The person who avoids discomfort today avoids responsibility tomorrow, avoids growth forever. This is why most people stay average, not because life is unfair, but because they negotiate with their potential. Listen carefully. Your future does not respond to your intentions. It responds to your habits. And the habit of comfort slowly turns dreams into excuses. So choose the hard path, not because it is easy, but because it builds a version of you that your future will respect. Discomfort today is power tomorrow.